Ever pondered over the question, what if polio could be eradicated from the world? It's a thought that has captured the minds of healthcare professionals and global citizens alike. Enter the stage, Dr. Rahmatullah Mastoi, an unassuming medical officer in BHU Kot Mubarak, who became a beacon of hope in this global fight against polio. Armed with his medical knowledge and a burning passion to make a difference, he embarked on a journey that would change the face of polio awareness. Dr. Mastoi's approach was unique, to say the least. He realized that in order to beat polio, it was not just about curing the afflicted, but also about preventing the disease from spreading. And to do that, he needed to take the fight directly to the community. Instead of waiting for patients to come to his clinic, he decided to bring the knowledge and the tools to them. He organized community walks where he could engage with people, enlightening them about the dangers of polio and the importance of early vaccination. Imagine the scene. A doctor, not in his clinic, but walking through the streets, engaging with people, spreading awareness. It was a sight that was both inspiring and revolutionary. His efforts did not go unnoticed. The community walks became a phenomenon, and polio awareness started spreading like wildfire. People started to understand the importance of vaccination, and the numbers started to show it. But Dr. Mastoi's fight is not over, and neither is ours. Polio still exists in some parts of the world, and until it is completely eradicated, the fight continues. It is now in your hands to carry forward Dr. Mastoi's legacy. Spread the word about polio. Make people aware of the importance of vaccination. Remember, it's not just about saving a life, it's about securing a future free from the fear of polio. The fight against polio is not just a medical battle, it's a social responsibility. It's about mobilizing communities, just like Dr. Mastoi did, to ensure that every child is vaccinated, and no one has to suffer from this debilitating disease ever again. So, take a moment today to share this message, because together, we can make a world without polio not just a dream, but a reality.